We got Master Chief right here. Today we're solving threesome on the top 150 interview questions on LeetCode. Threesome, number 15, given the integer array nuns, return all the triplets. You know how we do, copy from the bottom to the top. Now, I've been using ChatGPT, but lately I'm noticing a lot of issues with it. I use Gemini on a regular basis because it's on my phone, it's easy to use. And so I've transferred all my coding model over to Gemini, and I'm hoping that it works better than ChatGPT. The problem with Chat, getting a little too greedy. Every time you go through a couple of questions, it asks you if you want to upgrade to their advanced version. With Gemini, I can talk to this thing all day and it won't ask me that. So see how Gemini performs. Hopefully everything's good and we will switch over to Gemini moving forward. Would you like a gaming story or an anime story? Let's go with anime for the first time.
Okay, anime theme it is for threesome. Here's the breakdown. Problem summary. Imagine you have a list of numbers, positive, negative, or 0. Your goal is to find all unique groups of 3 numbers from this list that add up to exactly 0. You need to make sure you don't list the same group of 3 numbers more than once, even if they appear in a different order in the input list. Anime story. The ritual of zero harmony. In the mystical realm of Eldoria, powerful elemental mages draw energy from the world around them. Their power levels can be positive, overflowing with energy, or negative, drawing energy. To maintain balance and prevent catastrophic elemental storms, a critical ritual, the ritual of zero harmony, must be performed. This ritual requires a team of exactly 3 mages whose combined power levels, mage power levels, sum precisely to 0. Any other sum would destabilize the ritual circle. The Grand Council has provided a scroll listing the power levels of all available mages, nums. Our young apprentice, Kenji, is tasked with finding all unique combinations of 3 mages that can successfully perform the ritual. He knows that using the same team configuration repeatedly is pointless. To do this efficiently, Kenji first arranges the mages by their power level, from lowest, most negative, to highest, most positive. He then considers each mage one by one as a potential lead mage. Let's say the lead mage is at lead mage index. For each lead mage, Kenji needs 2 more mages. He cleverly uses 2 magical pointers, a left apprentice pointer starting just after the lead mage, and a right apprentice pointer starting at the very end of the sorted list. He calculates the current power sum of the lead mage, the mage at left apprentice pointer, and the mage at right apprentice pointer. If the current power sum is 0, harmony. Kenji records this unique triplet of mages. To find other potential teams involving the same lead mage, he moves the left apprentice pointer forward and the right apprentice pointer backward. Crucially, if the next mage has the same power level as the one just used, Kenji skips them to avoid listing duplicate teams. The ritual demands unique combinations of power. If the current power sum is less than 0, they need more power. Kenji moves the left apprentice pointer forward to include a mage with a potentially higher power level. If the current power sum is greater than 0, they have too much power. Kenji moves the right apprentice pointer backward to include a mage with a potentially lower power level. Kenji repeats this process for each potential lead mage. He also makes sure that if he encounters a lead mage with the same power level as the previous one he considered, he skips them entirely, as any teams formed would be duplicates of ones he already found. This systematic approach ensures Kenji finds all unique teams, found triplets, capable of achieving the zero harmony. Java code solution. Thumbnail prompt. Now, let's create a thumbnail for this.
Alright, so we're going to open up a new Gemini to create the thumbnail. Wow, that is cool. Wow, that is cool. That is so good. Moving forward, I think I'm done with Chat until Chat comes up with a new update. Last year, Chat was pretty good, but this year, for whatever reason, look, I'm still waiting on a thumbnail from Chat. It is still thinking. I don't know what happened to Chat, but it's just not working the same. You saw Gemini just did this amazing thumbnail in a few seconds where Chat is still running in the background trying to get this thing together. So this was going to be using Gemini 2025 moving forward. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's look at this thumbnail close up. What do y'all think? Man, to me, that is dope. Look, that is dope. All right. Peace.